Our offices are located in Guatemala, El Salvador, Costa Rica, Puerto Rico, and in the United States, Georgia. We provide services for ERP, for discrete manufacturing, and also EAM, enterprise asset management, for companies that require for their assets. It could be power generation, it could be facilities, it could be government, it could be universities or education. We have micro-vertical specializations in power generation and make-to-order, usually in packaging industry for manufacturing. We start growing our business lines as Infor grew their acquisition. We start to grow with them, and it's been a great journey. Through the years, we focus different customers with specific needs, and in this case, on electrical power generation. Basically, our plants that require to have their assets working at optimum always. If you stop a machine, then you stop all the generation, you stop all the revenue coming in. So what we've been able to do is basically specialize. Since EAM is a great tool, you're able to supply different needs to different customers. And in that vertical, we're able to provide specific indicators, KPIs, and also the way that you manage your assets, you structure them, and you put them together. In that sense, you're able to provide a solution that brings a lot of value to them. So as Infor adds more functionality to different modules, for example, things in security, calibrations, inspections, we're able to provide that to the customers. And then we have a really good on-time feedback to know if that's working for them or not. So there's a lot of value going on. And especially now we have success stories that want to tell each other what they were doing and how they worked, and different ways to use different modules. So that's been working out great for the customers and for ourselves. We have a company called Polindustrias, which we work with, and it's funny because when we started work with them, they have the usual pains, the inventories, the lead times that are able to supply to their customers. And as we work with them, we help them to streamline their operation, make it more lean, and then that helped them not only be able to have better bottom line, but also have a better cash flow. In this type of industries, cash flow is king, because you're able to then buy more raw materials and do things better. And the implementation went, I think, pretty smoothly. Took about 8 months, and we went live, and they've been going with the system for many, many years. They're a great reference, and they continue to grow. What we see in the market is that customers are really looking forward to a solution that not only is able to suit their needs, but also from a cloud perspective, something that's already managed by the vendor, in this case, that also the installation, there's no installation hassles, no problems with upgrades, no problems with report. Everything is set up for them, and they just go ahead and consume it. Some of the companies that we're working with right now are looking for that option. Why? Because it's more cost effective, it's really faster to deploy. Whether they want to keep it on premise or they want to go cloud, it's a great ability to be able to provide that flexibility to the customer. So they know that when they're with Infor and with us, they can grow and they can go on the cloud if they want, or if they want to stay on premise, it works.